In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install and use the NordPass password manager on Linux. If you've ever struggled to remember multiple passwords, or if you're concerned about the safety of your digital information, NordPass is here to help. With a password manager, you can store all your login information securely in one place. Let's dive in and set it up on your Linux machine. To begin, the installation process can be done quite swiftly from your terminal. Simply open a terminal window and enter the command sudo snap install NordPass. This command installs NordPass using Snap, which is a powerful package management system for Linux. Once the installation is complete, go ahead and launch NordPass. You'll be prompted to log in or create a new account, where you'll also establish a master password. This master password is crucial as it acts as the key to accessing your vault, so make sure it's something strong yet memorable. Next, to fully leverage the capabilities of NordPass, you should install the browser extension. This will allow NordPass to automatically fill in your credentials for websites, making it easier and faster to log in. Head over to your preferred browser's web store and search for the NordPass extension. Once found, click Add or Install as per your browser and log in again to sync your vault with the extension. As you start to use NordPass, you'll find several features designed to make your digital life easier. For instance, when you create a new password on a website, the NordPass browser extension will ask if you'd like to save it to your vault. This means you won't have to remember new passwords. NordPass remembers them for you. Additionally, NordPass can automatically fill in your login details on websites you've stored in its vault. This autofill feature is a real-time saver. Plus, you can organize your saved logins by creating folders for categories like work, streaming, or personal. It's a great way to keep things neat and accessible. One of the standout features of NordPass is its password generator. This tool assists in crafting strong, unique passwords for your accounts, enhancing your online security. For those transitioning from another password manager, NordPass allows you to import your existing passwords, typically via a CSV file, to ensure that all your credentials transition smoothly into NordPass's ecosystem. By integrating these features into your daily routine, you will not only streamline your online experience, but also significantly bolster your online security. And there you have it. Your NordPass password manager is fully installed and ready to use on Linux. Thank you for following along in today's guide. And remember, a password manager like NordPass isn't just a convenience, but a necessity in today's digital age.